Good day everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to delete Google Classroom class. I'm going to delete the test 5 key. So first thing, log in first. After login, click the three dot. Here we have the three dot. Then you choose Achieve. It will pop up some message. It says Achieve classes can't be updated unless you restore them. This class will remove to your Achieve classes, so class files will remain in Google Drive. So we have Achieve over here. Okay. Wait for a while. Then after that you will find out it will disappear from the dashboard. Then we click the three line here. Scroll down. You will see the Achieve classes. Yes, there is this class that we're going to delete just now. Click again the three dots. Now you can delete. It will also pop up some message. You will no longer have access to any personal comments that have been added to this class. Class files will remain in Google Drive. So you can't undo this action. So yes, delete. There you go. It's disappeared. That's it. That is how you delete the Google Classroom. Thank you.